So good morning to everyone. Today my topic is apply optimistic concurrency control to handle potential conflicts. So this is the headings from my topic name. So first heading name Introduction to Concurrency Control. Optimistic concurrency control, an approach assuming conflicts between concurrent transactions are rare. Transaction execute without locks and valid changes only at a commit time. This is the second heading name. To observe this diagram, what is optimistic concurrency control? So OCC assumes low conflict probability among transactions. It focuses on detecting and resolving conflicts only during committee based on the principle read validity and right. OCC misses pessimistic concurrency control. So OCC avoids locks and is suitable for systems with low data contention. Pessimistic concurrency control uses locking mechanisms. OCC high throughput reduced locking overhead. Pessimistic more suitable for high contention environments. This is the that means difference between optimistic concurrency and pessimistic concurrency. No locks and use locks allows conflicts happen, prevents conflicts before happening, supports scaling, lacks scaling, supports need to implement manually, supported by database by default, simple design and complex design. So next one వచ్చేసి read phase in DBMS. Transactions read data without occurring logs. They keep track of the data read to detect conflicts later. This phase is non-intrusive to other transactions. Read phase. This is observe this diagram. Read. This is a downwards arrow, right, and about and commit. This is the timeline. Phases of OCC validation phase. Conflicts are checked before committing the transaction. Validates if the data read has been changed by other transactions. Ensure data integrity and consistency. Validation phase and write phase. To observe this, and a transaction T performs a validation to test determine whether it can be copied to database the temporary local variables that hold the results of write operation without causing a violation of serializability. This is the write phase, and if a transaction T succeeded in validation, then the system applies the actual updates to the database. Otherwise, the system goes to back T. So next one వచ్చేసి phases of OCC. This is the write phase, and if validation succeeded, changes are returned to the database. If validation fails, the transaction is rolled back and restarted. Minimizes the need for logs. Next వచ్చేసి conflicts detection in OCC. Conflicts are detected using timestamps or version of data. OCC compares version during the validation phase. If discrepancies are found, a conflict is declared. To observe this diagram, so next one వచ్చేసి handling conflicts. When conflicts are detected, the conflicting transaction is rolled back. Strategies including retrying or prioritizing certain transactions. Conflicts handling aims to maintain consistency and integrity. So next third one వచ్చేసి minimal impact on read heavy workloads. OCC is especially beneficial in read heavy systems where write conflicts are minimal. In such scenarios, transactions rarely require rollback, making OCC a natural fit for achieving better performance. Next వచ్చేసి fourth one, increase scalability. OCC logs free design allows it to scale effectively in distributed database system and enabling efficient parallel processing and reducing contention or shared data. So fifth one వచ్చేసి better resources utilization by avoiding log acquisition and release mechanism, OCC reduce the overhead on processing units and memory. This results in better resource utilization, especially in environments with low data contention. So next one వచ్చేసి challenge in OCC. High probability of rollbacks in write heavy environments. Not ideal for scenarios with frequent conflicts. Requires robust conflicts detection mechanism. So next one వచ్చేసి use case of OCC. Ideal for distributed database with low contention. Usable in read heavy applications like reporting systems. Effective in systems with minimal concurrent updates. So next one summary. OCC assumes low conflicts probability and focus on validation. Three phase read, validation and write. Benefits such as include high throughput and reduce logging overhead. Challenges include high rollback and conflicts heavy scenario. And thank you.